Alrighty, so now we are going to move on and we are going to do power of a product rule / quotient rule. So notice how it says 3t, right? It's not just one number or one letter. It's 2 or 3 or maybe 4 things. It's something that's multiplied, right? 3t is multiplied. And then that whole thing is written to the fourth power. So this is where kind of realizing what is what really comes into play. So we have 3t written 4 times, and then we wrote that all out. There wasn't anything more to expand, so this is what we got. This is just saying you could write it 3 to the 4th, or you could actually get an answer right of 81. So for this one, it's very similar to what we did up top. So this whole thing is written 2 times. So m to the 3rd, p to the 2nd is going to be written 2 times. Okay, so I'm going to write 1 and, oopsies, 2. And then from there, notice, right, I can say, okay, this expanded out is 1, 2, 3 M's and 2 P's, 3 M's and 2 P's. And so then I can get a final answer right of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 M's and 4 P's. Okay? So doing the same thing here, right? What is written and how many times? What is written and how many times? So this is written twice. Why don't you pause the video and get that written down, and let's see if you're right. Welcome back. So we have 5d to the 4th times 5d to the 4th, right? Everything inside written twice. This, pause the video, expand that out. Welcome back. We should have had 5 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure it's not 5d 4 times, right? That's where this gets hard. It's a lot going on. And this would be the same thing, 1, 2, 3, and 4. For a final answer of 5 times 5 is 25, or you could write it 5 squared, I don't care. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and d to the 8th. So either one of those, all right? I want you to try that one. Welcome back. We should have had 2ab. I ran out of room, sorry. So we should have had 7 of those. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7. Beautiful. Then we should have, we don't have to expand anything else because nothing has extra exponents. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 2 to the 7th. We have 7 A's. We have 7 B's. Oopsies. Or you could actually tell me 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64, times 2 is 128. So I would take either one of those. They're saying the same exact thing. Okay? So now, if you look underneath that, right, on number 9, it's the same thing that we just did. The only difference, right, is now there's a bottom part, okay? And if you notice, none of these get extra. It's not that deep, right? We have this written twice. Then we expand all that out, and we get our final answer. So thinking about what you just did, right? What is written and how many times? This whole thing is written 3 times. So we have 3a over b written once, written twice, written 3 times. Nothing extra is happening